Hey y'all, it's Danielle and I'm back with another hair tutorial. This is going to be a very quick and easy high puff with a bang using a drawstring ponytail. Yes, child. I know that they sell these now actually, like the pineapple puffs with like a little bang piece, but I just had this puff laying around and I wanted to do something cute and different with it, so I'm going to show you how I style it. Right now I'm just obviously putting my hair up in a ponytail. My hair is freshly washed, and I have actually done this style with my natural hair, but you know, you got to twist it and get it curled all cute, and then, you know, worry about the bang part, and you just never know what it's going to be at the end of the day. So it's just easier to use this synthetic puff because, you know, it's not going to change on you throughout the day. So I'm just putting my hair up in a pony, and this is not the best ponytail or bun. It's kind of lumpy in the back, but you know, you could smooth yours down, girl. That's my puff, yes. All right, so I'm just gonna plop this on. It has two combs, one in the front and one in the back, so actually it's supposed to all go around this bun, but you know, I put it like in the front of the ponytail so it can come down towards my forehead a little further. I'm just adjusting, and then I'm going to spray this with water, and that's going to help me be able to kind of pull these curls out so it looks more like a pineapple and less like a old school puff from the hair store like it is. But yeah, so you see, if you pull the curls out and fluff it out a little more, it looks cute. It gives you, you know, 3A puff hair. So I don't have any bobby pins. Obviously, you can use bobby pins, but I didn't have any on hand, and so I just used those clips, but I'm going to cover them up. You'll see in a second. And I'm just wetting it some more so I can loosen up the bang part. And just adjusting there, and you can adjust yours to your liking. I also used a little bit of gel to kind of loosen those curls in the front a little more too. Okay, so I have this headband, and that's what I'm going to use to cover up the clips that I have there. And then I just thought it makes it, you know, kind of cute anyway to have a cute little headband. You can do a scarf, you know, like a scarf to match your outfit, whatever you got going on. Just, you know, make sure those clips are covered if you're using clips, but I'm pretty sure you're going to use bobby pins. I just didn't have any on hand, and I know I have some, I just couldn't find them. So that's my life, and that's it, y'all. Quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Bye.